Let's open this 10-inch Windows rugged tablet designed specifically for industries such as industry, logistics, power, and transportation. There is a rugged tablet host inside. Charging adapter, charging cable, portable hand strap. Everything is ready, just to meet the needs of various work environments. Support Core i5, i7 11th generation processors, standard memory 8GB. Front 5MP camera, rear 8MP camera. Single speaker design, IP67 waterproof. 10.1-inch high brightness display screen, paired with Corning Gorilla 3rd generation glass, with a hardness of 7H. Provide excellent visual experience. Supports interfaces such as Pogo pin and USB Type-C to achieve seamless data exchange. Main battery 4000 mAh, auxiliary battery 2000 mAh, supports hot swap. Get ready to welcome this rugged tablet and start a new chapter of efficient work.